Now we are creating the perfect ego player with Anjo Cruz. Scoring.
Mikel Nubla.
Rebounding.
Jan Kabugawan.
Assist.
Ralph Reyes.
Steals.
My idol, Ago Lumiwan.
Blocks.
Jan Kabugawan.
Shooting 3 points.
Paul Padolina.
Defense.
Tancha Angeles.
Creating the perfect EGOP basketball player with
Ian.
scoring.
Mikel Nubla.
Assist.
Ralph Reyes.
Rebounds.
Jan Kabugawan.
Steals.
Alden Carlos.
Blocks.
Jan Kabugawan.
3-point shooting.
Paul Padolina.
Defense.
Alden Carlos.
We are creating the perfect EGOP player with
Robin from EGOP Committee.
scoring.
Paul Padolina.
Rebounds.
Siyempre, Kuya Jan or Ian Victorio.
Assist.
Assist natin dyan si Nigel.
Steals.
Steals natin siyempre si Boss Bien.
Blocks.
Blocks, si Jeff De La Paz.
Shooting.
Shooting, bagong-bago panalo ng last season, Ian Mendoza, our 3-point king.
Defense.
Defense marami, Kuya Jan din, pero baka si last championship si Boss Anjo. Grabe depensa ni Boss Anjo. Man to man.
Salamat. We are creating the perfect EGOP player with
Paul Padolina.
scoring.
Mikel Nubla.
Rebounding.
Siyempre ikaw.
Assist.
Ralph Reyes.
Steals.
Ago Lumiwan.
Blocks.
Ako. Joke lang. Sino ba? Ikaw din, siyempre.
3-point shooting.
Ikaw na yan. Si Enzo na lang, naya ako eh.
Defense.
Bien.
Ayan, salamat. We are creating the perfect EGOP player with
Zeboy.
scoring.
Mikel Nubla.
Rebounds.
Jan Kabugawan.
Steals.
Alden.
Assist.
Si Ralph Reyes.
Blocks.
Paano nung kakampi natin nung uli? Si Alejandro.
Shooting.
Si Pado.
Defense.
Si Alden na lang ulit.
Thank you. We are now creating the perfect EGOP basketball player with
Rojan.
scoring.
Bulot.
Rebounds.
Ian B.
Assist.
Sino pa? Si Kuya Pado.
Steals.
Si Bien.
Blocks.
Sino bang? Kuya Jevoy.
Shooting.
Kuya Pado.
Defense.
Kuya Jan C.
Creating the perfect EGOP basketball player with
Chester.
scoring.
Paul William Padolina.
Assist.
Rubo ako pare
Kaya nga. At Josh Bulot.
Rebounds.
Rebound, syempre, Jan Kabugawan.
Steals.
PJ Cortigera.
Blocks.
Nako, hindi pa pwede maulit.
Pwede.
Jan Kabugawan.
Shooting.
Padolina talaga Padolina. Nubla.
Defense.
Jan Kabugawan ang nag-iisa.
Salamat. Creating the perfect EGOP basketball player with
Zo.
scoring.
Kuya Mikel.
Rebounding.
Ito na, katabi ko na.
Assist.
Kuya Ralph.
Steals.
Kuya Ralph din.
Blocks.
Ito ulit, siyempre.
Shooting.
Shooting, Kuya Pado.
Defense.
Defense, ito ulit.
Walang halong bola yung pare ha. Thank you. We are creating the perfect Igop basketball player with
Ako nga pala si John Irish Pedrano.
scoring,
Scoring ko siguro si Miguel Nubla tsaka si Bien Raman.
rebounding,
Rebounding, Jan Kabugawan tsaka Eric Mintor.
assist,
Ralph Lawrence Reyes, Paul Padolina, tsaka si Ago Lumiwan.
steals,
Steals, si my uncle Lakay, PJ Cortiguera.
blocks,
Sa blocks, maraming pwedeng mangyari. Nandyan si Nane Bernardino, nandyan Russell Reyes, tsaka si Rojan Reyes.
okay, shooting,
Shooting, wala nang iba yun, syempre. Kundi ako, si Paul Padolina yun.
okay, defense,
Defense, maraming defensive player sa Igop eh. Siguro sila Anjo Cruz, sila Ralph Lawrence Reyes. Ayun, mga defense.
okay, there we have it. John Irish Pedrano. Salamat.